History, culture, and nature come together to shape tomorrow in Novato. Whether you're going up the coast or just coasting, your Marin adventure starts here. Head west and discover McAvoy Ranch, where olives are pressed into liquid gold. Good luck picking a favorite at Marin French Cheese, the country's oldest cheese company. Soak in some sun and family fun at Stafford Lake, where there's always something for the young or the young at heart. And at the heart of Novato is Grant Avenue, with shopping, dining, and wine tasting. Enjoy live music at Trek Winery or Hop Monk Tavern. And if you're looking to spend the night, you'll find stylish hotels to cool your heels. Add in tight-knit communities, great schools, and growing businesses. And Novato may not just be your place to visit, but also your place to call home.